would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Just love me.
Oh guys, I'm ready to work. Hello. See, like this. Coffee. So guys, I'm done right now. I'm going to work. I'm in life. So last night was Monday. It was kinda busy. Hopefully tonight hindi masyadong busy sa work. Yep. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, it's not traffic today. Look at that. Not traffic. Been a nurse for more than 10 years dito sa California. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm so thankful na I got this job. You know, I have to work hard to pay my bills. You know, marami tayong bills din sa America. There's inflation. Everything's going up. The gas. Medyo mahal lang dito sa America. Very expensive here. I'm working 12 hours. I'm working every other weekend. So yeah. So I start at 7 to 7:30 p.m. Medyo nakakantok, so that's why I always bring coffee. That's my you know, that's my to give me energy and keep me awake. So malapit na ako sa work. Alright, work hard, play harder. Yeah, so I love to travel. Yung mga past video ko, more on travel from a different country. See, that's my happiness. Accepted. Okay. Inside now.
Few moments later.
So we're done. We're done. We made it from work. 12 hours long night. Going home now. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to home. I'm so tired from last night, kinda busy. So ang daming charting and I won a admission, new admit patient. I'm so happy that it's my day off. Then I'm working this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm working every other weekend. That's the only problem. So medyo tiring and stressful to work 3 nights straight. Kasi I only slept like 4 hours sometimes or 5 hours. So kailangan ko makakompleto ng at least 6 to 8 hours sleep. So tonight I'm gonna sleep more so I can Hi guys, I'm here. Tapos na yung mass, so I'm gonna go to work tonight. So this is my fourth night. Hello guys, I'm in McDonald's. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. So nakakagutom, so busy last night. So it's my 5th night, last night. So yay, I'm so happy. It's my day off. So I have to come back on Thursday to work. So yeah, I'm gonna grab some breakfast here in McDonald's. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Take care, bye.